So, we're playing this game. What am I doing? That was a bit dramatic. Bitch. Uh-oh. Oh god. This is not a good day. Epic. No peanut-shaped food. They're the best food! Best! Is that supposed to happen? Boom! Ouch! It's dark in here. Narnia! I am king of all goats. Was that supposed to happen? Press R to summon peasants. Oh! It's raining goats, yeah! Hallelujah, it's raining goats, yeah! Amen. I'm going to drag you back to my lair. I wonder what happens if I headbutt this. Ah! Ow. I want my peasant. I want my peasant. Oh, there we go. Now we leave him out in the road. We can get hit by a lorry. That was beautiful! There we go. Boing. I feel so happy. Wow! Wow! This looks so wrong on so many levels. Wow! Oh my god. Ow. I'm butt scooting. Oh, I want to do that again. Oh. Nada. Oh, look at how pretty he looks. Or she. Actually, that is a point. Everyone suspects the goat to be a he-male. Maybe it's a she-male. Goats falling from the sky. Be free, my pretties. I'm gonna lick you. Am I licking it? Am I licking it? What? Well, this is like I'm giving him like an ultimate wedgie and breaking my neck in the process. It's me! Ah! Well, that was easy. Lick the firework. Lick the firework. Lick the fire. Oh my god. Uh-oh. Lick. Ha! Oh my god. What is happening? I'm doing it again! It's amazing! Oh. Whoa! Okay, I took the computer instead. Ah! Yeah. Oh! Whee! And oh my god, I am going to do this at every single party ever. Gather the sacrifices. Is a demon goat? Yes. They're all here. All my sacrifices. Oh. Holy crap! I will ram into this truck. Oh god. Uh-oh. Ow, 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 ow. I don't think this was supposed to happen. That is a tongue helicopter. I think I should let go of our... Reach for the stars. Climb every goat higher. I am Blackest Joker. This has been Goat Simulator, or Goat Sausage Butt Simulator, and I will see you guys soon. Thank you very much, and goodbye.